Hi there, guys. It's Anna here, and today I'm so excited to start reading with you another amazing story about Little Miss Muffet. Actually, it's really amazing because this one is about a little girl, yeah, a very brave one, by the way, a wolf, a scary one, and a very brave and nice spider. Are you ready to start reading it? Yes, I am. So let's start.
Little Miss Muffet. Little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet, eating her curds and whey. Along came a spider who dropped down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away. "Help!" cried Miss Muffet. She ran from her tuffet and into the woods down below. "Come back!" called the spider. He rushed off to find her. "I'm sorry for scaring you so." The little girl sighed. "What a bad place to hide! Now I'm lost. I'll be stuck here all night." Then she heard a deep growl, "Grrr," and an ear-splitting howl. "Oh!" They gave poor Miss Muffet a fright. A big wolf jumped out. He said with a shout, "It's time for my dinner, my dear. I'll have little girl pie." "Put her down," came a cry. "Don't worry, Seb Spider is here." The wolf gave a smile. "I do like your style, but what can you do against me?" "I'll show you," said Zeb. He spun a strong web and tied the bad wolf to a tree.
Miss Muffet said, "Seb, what a wonderful web!" "Now let's go." So Seb showed her the way. Now she's friends with Seb Spider. He hangs down beside her and spins for Miss Muffet all day. About the rhyme. The original version of Little Miss Muffet first appeared in print over 200 years ago. Curd is thickened milk used to make cheese. Whey is a watery liquid made when the milk is thickened. The end. Puzzles. Puzzle 1. Can you spot the differences between these two pictures? There are 6 to find. Puzzle 2. Find these things in the picture. Spider, book, tree, web, girl, bird. So, where is the spider? Ah, here it is. Now, find the book, the tree, the web, the girl, and the bird by yourself. Puzzle 3. Choose the best speech bubble for each picture. Come back! The end. Thank you for listening, guys. See ya. Bye bye.